And today we are going to create that pixel art effect in Illustrator. Now think of video games like late 80s, early 90s, let's just say Contra or so. So that is the effect that we are going for today. So what we're going to do is open up Illustrator, of course, and let's pull up a layer. I have this layer pulled up of a design I created not too terribly long ago. What we'll do, first things first, is let's drag him over a little bit, and then we'll make a copy, hit Alt and click and drag over like so. Then we'll head up to Object and we will click on Create Object Mosaic. There we are. Now our main focus is the number of tiles, and basically a tile is a little block. So the more tiles you have, the more blocks you have. And obviously the less tiles you have, the less blocks. Let me show you an example. So we will do 10 and 10. So basically 10 squared, hit OK, and show you what that looks like. Now that's not the look we're going for. So we know that we will have to add more tiles. So head up to Object and go to Create Object Mosaic. And let's try about 150, at least for this particular size design here, and we will hit OK. Now just so you know, guys, this process takes a little while, so be prepared for that. Okay, not bad. Now let's do a comparison real quick. So let's take our original file here, drag him over a little bit. What we'll have to do is we'll have to pull him to the top. Oh, looks good. That's kind of video game-ish, right? Yes, sir. Now, here's the thing. So we need to check our work, because see how this background is missing here? That's what we're going to need here. So if we just drag this up right here outside of the canvas there, we can see that this still has a background, and that's not what we want. So what we'll do is we will go ahead and click on our edited version here and go up to Object and let's click on Expand. So expand that out like so. Then what we'll do is we will go ahead and grab our eyedropper tool, hit I on the keyboard, and let's click somewhere where the background would be. Then we'll head up to Select and we will go down to Same, and then let's click on Fill Color. Hit Fill Color like so, and see how the background kind of lit up like a Christmas tree, and that's exactly what we wanted. Now only thing we have to do is hit backspace and it is gone. Now there's a few rough edges. If we wanted to be, technical, we can go in there and kind of remove these, but it looks fine. So, and it's kind of video game-ish anyway, so that is great there. Let me pull this over, get some little organization going on here. Let's compare these two. Not bad. All right, so there you have it. A cool way to make some pixel art in Illustrator. I think that'll do it for this video, guys. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.